How to find your wallet address in TokenPocket. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are trying to find your wallet address in TokenPocket, then here's how you do it. First of all, open up TokenPocket application and make sure that you're inside the home page logged in. Now go ahead and select the blockchain network on which you want to find the wallet address for. I'm just going to select this BTC over here, and once you're inside this tab, click on Receive at the bottom. Now whichever cryptocurrency you choose, you'll be able to see a different wallet address. Each cryptocurrency has a different wallet address, so make sure you are looking for the specific cryptocurrency that you are trying to find the wallet address of. Once you get to this page, you see a QR code generated and the wallet address as well. Simply go ahead and copy the wallet address by tapping the copy button at the bottom and click on confirm. And you can then share your wallet address using any platform such as your messaging platforms, SMS app, and so on. Wallet addresses are automatically generated. You cannot manually edit or change an existing address. So that way you will be able to find the wallet address of a specific cryptocurrency on TokenPocket. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.